Hello friends, welcome to my channel MR Engineering Drawing for Fitter 2020 and Mechanical Engineering student. The question has been given: draw a involute of a square as 30 mm all the set. How to draw a square? Take simply 30 mm. Keep a scale. Mm. Again keep 30 mm. That's all friend. Draw one square. So you will get a point like 1, 4 and 3 and 2. Way to extension and line. It's very easy. Take here 30 mm. Take here 60 mm. Take here 90 mm. Take here 120 mm. So it's very simple and easy. See, join from 1 to 4, 1 arc. Keep here, join this one. So you'll get like this. Again take from 3 and join C here. Again take from here, from 4, keep here. That's all friends, it's very easy. Then you will get a involute. This is called as involute. So this will be a 30 mm. This will be a 60 mm and this one will be a 90 mm. So this will be a 120 mm. So you will get randomly. This is called normal. If you do a tangent perpendicular to 90 degree, so you will get a tangent. If you like this video, please share to your friends, put comments and share. See, it's very easy. I've taken easily, so you can also draw easily. Thank you for watching my channel. If you like this video, you can subscribe and notify. You ring the bell. You get all my drawings, so it will be very easy to teach you. See, it is very simple and easy. You can share to your friends. It will be very, very useful to your examination time. See, the question has been given: draw the involute of square 30 mm. See, it's very easy and simple. Thank you for watching my channel.